Who comes up with this shit? Hey, would you be able to hold it? Look at that damn thing. Just imagine how weird this is for it.
Yeah. It's just getting like manipulated. Could easily just like crush it and rip its spinal cord out if we wanted to.
Armor-plated little rover, don't be scared. Armor-plated rover.
It like curls up into a ball.
Aww.
Just looking for his next meal.
That's all it is to these wild things, is just looking for your next meal all the time. Fucking thing. Who even comes up with this shit?
Armor-plated rover.
There's an armor-plated rover.
Holy shit, 2 of them? Whoa.
Fuck. I feel so clumsy right now.
This is really good stuff.
Here, hold this. Let's see how much of this shit stayed alive. And what it's gonna do when we get it out of here.
Just be able to pull it open. There it is.
Whoa. Still alive.
Prisoner number 2.
It's still alive.
Well, don't let him go. Here's the other one. Should be 2 little worms in here.
Fucking.
Prisoner number 3. Here. I think there might be one like hiding in some of here.
No, don't be scared. Don't be scared.
I thought we had another worm in here.
Start walking around. Maybe this thing's dead. Or it's...
Damn, is that a stink bug?
No, it's just plain dead.
Look.
I saw life in it right there.
That would really suck if we got bit by this thing.
I'm not smelling anything yet, you little...
It's just putting its ass in the air. It sprays right in your face. It looks like it's about to shoot in our face, doesn't it?
Yeah. If it thinks sticking its ass in the air is gonna...
Dude, this is crazy. Look at this fucking thing. Whoa, it looks like there's rivets. Look at this. It looks like there's rivets holding its head on.
What?
You see that?
No.
They look like rivets. You know, like you would see on that holds. It looks like rivets. Like when you see a sheet metal on the side of a building. Whoa.
I see the sheet metal, I don't see the actual rivets though.
It must be so terrifying. Look at those claws. Holy crap, look how weird that thing looks.
I know. Who came up with this shit? What an alien.
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I think this thing's dead.
That sucks too. This thing looked cool when it was roving around.
Mm-hmm. That's all she wrote on.
No. I kind of wanted to look at this little fucker under a black light.
How? Did it bite you?
I think it did.
Really?
Yeah. I didn't know those things could do that.
No, it bit.
I think so, yeah.
I don't think those things can bite.
I'm actually not sure what it did to me right there.
I don't think the thing can bite.
Maybe not.
An alien. It looks like it should have wings, doesn't it? This one got ripped off. Looks like... Weird, dude.
I wonder what these things eat. Like,
It's hard to not want to keep it as
if I were
a
to
pet.
open this right here and keep it as a pet.
Yeah, that's
Like my pet's stink bug, and then a bird just comes and snatches it right away.
Somehow that thing survived the trip, but this didn't.
That thing's just... I think it's alive. It's just...
I'm about to show him what it's like to be on a Chinese fur farm.
What?
About to show him what it's like to be on a Chinese fur farm.
Do you see any life in that thing at all?
No. No, it's done.
Oh. This thing was cool looking when it was actually roving around.
I know. I can't tell. I don't know.
I wonder if that thing killed it. This thing was full blown. Lively.
Can't tell if I want to
When we put it in there.
dissect this.
Yeah, this thing's dead. If this thing isn't dead, then it's doing a really good job fooling my ass.
I don't know what to do with this thing. I like don't want to let it go, but at the same time, like.
But at the same time, it's just a damn stink bug.
Yeah. I feel like I'm gonna regret it when we let this thing go. I've never seen a bug like that.
You keep it as a pet. It's definitely a huge stinker of a bug.
Dude, I would give anything to be able to take this home and put it on my daughter.
Put it on her, like, unexpectedly.
Yeah, dude.
Come up behind her. She'd probably
No,
smack it really hard and kill it.
No, I'd just go like this. I'd be like, Jewel, like, come here, look. Oh, dude, dude, if I showed her that. Oh my god. So
Maybe you could
funny.
package it up, and if it's still alive.
Tomorrow, yeah. Maybe.
But at the same time, it's like, oh, could you do that to it?
I know.
Just leave it in there?
Yeah.
Did you do that to your daughter?
Yeah, and maybe we'll let him go live his life.
Yeah. Or will we? Put a cigarette out on it? Is that
Take like a needle and stick it right through its back.
I
wonder what would happen.
No, I've actually seen Justin Haugen do something like that to a wasp.
Really?
Yeah. He caught a wasp in this net, and then he was like holding down in the net, like holding it down so the wasp couldn't move, and then he just took a pin and just stabbed it through the net. And then stuck it to the outside of a cork board. What the fuck is that thing? What the fuck is that? Is that a tick?
Yeah.
Oh man, I hope we don't have that shit crawling on us. Look, there's another one. Those little fuckers are everywhere.
Alright, goodbye, little friend.